Good afternoon. My name is Lauren Chilhoya. My instructor is Julio César Arango Aguirre. My course is English Laws for Level 5. The activity today is my new project with the presentation of my new project. Next, I will present my video presentation. Yeah. Right now, I'm studying 11th grade. I live with my aunt. Some I have many plants. Some of them clearer than others. In June, when I get out of school, I will go on vacation abroad, specifically to Venezuela. I will visit my family. My dad will go travel insurance. We will not need a travel agent, no visa, just a passport. If the weather is good, we will go and visit the place that interests you. I will travel with my dad. If we leave Bucaramanga area, we don't have to quit so much the stamp or passport. I hope the transfer is quick. I don't like to spend hours in the waiting room. I love about the humble couch of my allergy. In the city I will visit, the sun is very strong. I will not forget the sunblock if I will not get burned. I'm sure we're going to have a good time on the next vacation. In Venezuela, there are only two seasons in the year, winter and summer. Now there is summer only August, so my vacation will be full of very hot days. I take lots of pictures. I am lovers of photography. On the day of the trip, I will not go and raise the clock. I will arrive just on time. When I get back, I will continue to prepare to present the issues. If I study hard, I will get a good score on the test. Just next week, I will start my preparation for the presentation of the text. Answer please. If I get a score above 400 next year, I will go to medical school. Right now, I did not go to a specialty in pediatric oncology. Maybe in few years, I wondered about it. We are Santiago Bay. I can change my mind when I know more about the career. What I'm sure of is that whatever I chose the story, I'm going to do it. That is the only thing that condition action, and I am completely convinced that I can achieve anything I set my mind to. Fine. To conclude, an inclusive trust. That is an important part of my motivation. It's guided by Aristotle, and I goes like this. Though condition action. Action determine behavior. Repeat behavior creates habits, and habits structure a character. An individual's way of thinking, behind, and acting, and charts mark a destiny. The only limit is use. Thank you for your attention. See you later.